This video is sponsored by Phillips 66 Lubricants. Visit our website for more information.
Hey everyone, Jason Morgan, editor of Fleet Equipment, and this is Fleet Equipment's On the Road.
Let's talk fleet maintenance software. Improved maintenance processes, inventory management, and repair order generation and reporting are all staples of fleet management software, but there's one major component which might not immediately spring to mind but can pay dividends: warranty tracking and recovery. Many aftermarket parts come with a warranty ranging anywhere from 90 days to 2 years. When it comes to tracking the warranty on those parts, things get complicated. Aftermarket part numbers are often deviated from OEM numbers, and each aftermarket supplier has its own parts numbering system. Supplier, brands, part numbers, date put in the service, there's no shortage of data points to track. Enter the software solution. Oftentimes, warranty disputes are caused by a lack of documentation on the part of the fleet. You might stock chassis parts, for example, so there could be a delay of weeks, months, or even years before a specific part is installed on a vehicle. The fleet needs to be able to document this and coordinate with the supplier so that the part's actual warranty coverage begins on the installation date. By using proper fleet maintenance software, fleets have been able to reduce their annual maintenance spend by up to 10% through optimizing the administration of warranties according to TMW systems. Savings can go beyond the warranty tracking and recovery to track the service life of specific parts by brand and part number across the entire fleet. This is helpful not only in isolating hidden part failure patterns, but also in determining which brands are the best value in terms of acquisition cost versus reliability.
For more in-depth truck equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.